What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to break down our trade recap on how we made $3,900 on US30 in basically less than 5 minutes. Put the signal alert out there for the Telegram group. I'll show you guys this. Just be very honest and transparent. Here you go, right here. Here is a VIP signals group alert where I basically told everybody scrolling right here, looking to buy US30 at 50, 262.34, and we scroll down. You can see that she made that big move to the upside, 50, 262.34. We bought it right here, squeezed up all the way to 50, 440.65. So not only did we crush it with US30, but we've been completely crushing it with the VIP gold signals that is 100% free. So if you're interested in free signals, the gold signals has been free, and we're going to continue to keep it that way. We didn't send signals with this one today. Normally we do, we just didn't trade it today. Wanted to focus on US30, not 100. Really wasn't feeling gold pre-market, so I didn't take it, but the market did indeed sell off. So right now the headlines are screaming recession, crash, collapse. So let's talk about what's actually happening with the overall market in 2026, and then most importantly, what you should be doing right now. Now, obviously, we're seeing serious volatility with the overall market. I mean, US30 completely sold off. Now, if we zoom in here, pre-market, we saw the setup. Market open, we had this big squeeze to the upside. I made $3,900. Basically in less than 5 minutes. I did start off with a loss today, basically recovered everything, ending it the day with green. NAS 100, this one had a hard time pushing up. Again, pre-market gold was basically just in limbo mode, but gold and basically everything, US30 sold off hard. NAS 100 sold off hard. Gold sold off extremely hard. I wish I would have took gold. I was watching gold from a sell standpoint, and normally I take like 25 to 50 lots. If I had took just 5 lots with gold today and got this big sell-off, I could have made $50,000. And if I take my normal 25 lots, it could have been a $250,000 day. So right now, there's a lot of money to be made with the market. We are seeing serious volatility across the markets. You know, everything's pulling back. Interest rates are still elevated. Inflation is biting into the consumer's confidence once again. So SPX, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, all the kit and caboodle, gold, it's all showing not only weakness, but strength as well. So yes, the market is shaking, people, but that doesn't mean it's time to panic, okay? It just means it's time to pay attention to these moves, because you can make a lot of money right now. So, you know, obviously smart money moves is very important, right? This is obviously, you know, scaling into positions, scaling out of positions, holding cash and waiting for setups. So, you know, with these big massive moves, guys, you're not going to make money. You're not going to get ahead with using any kind of one demo account or 2 prop firm. Stay away from prop firms, especially the ones you basically see saying, oh, it's 90% off, yada yada yada. If you really want to get ahead, you need to use your own cash with your own, you know, a broker, an actual solid broker. So if you guys click my link below this video, you guys can use the same link as me, and they give you a 100% matching deposit bonus. Again, this broker I've withdrawn over $600,000 from. I can show you proof of that. So nonetheless, guys, going back into this video, obviously, you know, there's things like US30, NAS 100 that we already know, right, that are going to make us a lot of money. Gold, if you have a small account, you can trade this one. Forex pairs are giving us big range, like EUR US dollar. These are all giving us huge, massive body candles, making big moves, and this is where we're going to capture and make a lot of money. Now is not the time to gamble or hope, right, that things work out, right? Obviously, we want to use risk calculators, have tight stop losses. Even if we get stopped out of our trade, we can always re-enter. So there's a lot of people in the free Discord group. If you guys click the link below this video, again, below this video, I have the link for the free Discord group, the VIP US30 NAS 100 signals alerts, and then the free gold. Again, people are talking about, you know, getting stopped out, losing, blah, 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 but you can always jump back in again, right? So if a trade goes in your direction, right, with US30 NAS 100, I'm constantly getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. If I get in the trade, it pops up, right, I'm obviously adjusting my stop loss to break even or some sort of profit. I'm never keeping a hard fixed stop loss, even if it's like in profit. So obviously, you just need to be selective, be aggressive, only when it's clear. And if you're not learning how to trade through this, you're basically just wasting the most valuable season to grow as a trader. So obviously crashes like we're seeing right now with US30, this isn't the end. Obviously it's going to eventually reverse here and push back to the upside. So whether again you're day trading, scalping, or investing, obviously you need to stay sharp, stay educated, and obviously make it count. So right now is the time to start trading. The market has been very shaky, but that doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. It just basically tests the strength of real traders. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and again, all the links to our free services are below this video. I'll catch you in the next one.